Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to make a flower ring. Again, a flower ring because I love flower rings so much. I don't want those gold ring, any ring that is expensive. I don't like those. I just want a flower ring like this. So I already removed this one from here, and I made a ring hoops. This from a hemline of a clothes. This is it. So this is where it came from, this one. And I also have a ring hoops here from a ribbon, this ribbon. And I also have a ring hoops here from an old ring. So those flower already ruined, I threw it away, and I'm gonna reuse this one for my new ring. So I already have here like 3 hoops already, and that's it for the crafting today, the 3 hoops of a ring. And I'm gonna use glue and this glue gun also. So guys, let's get started. So this one, to make this hoops, I turn it like this and cut it and sew this part here, and it become like this. So now guys, I am going to make it short. I don't want to make it long, otherwise my video will be right. I am turning this one into melting point. It's not hot yet, so I'll push it harder. So this is quite hot already, and I'm gonna press it. And then I am going to put this one. I will put a lot so that it will really stick on the ring. This one here. Okay. Guys, it's fun to make a ring, flower ring, for me, okay? I don't know about you, because I love flower ring, so it stick on my hand. So guys, when you do this one, be careful because the glue stick is so hot, it will burn your skin, like what I'm doing now. I burned my skin, and it's so hot, and it's so sticky also. Oh my god, it's stick on my hand. So I will let it cool for a while because it's still hot. I will put more on the side, otherwise it will pop up later on and will ruin my effort, will go to waste if it happen. So this is it. So this is my flower ring. It's hot, so sticky. I'll let it cool for a while, and I will proceed to the other one. The green, is there any green color? No, there is no green color. Oh my goodness. So I will use this instead. Oh wait, this one. I'll be using this one because I don't have purple hoops for this ring, for this flower. So I will be putting it here, and then later on I will just be polishing it with nail polish, purple nail polish, no problem. So okay, I'll stick it in here, and there you are. So let it cool. So this one, I will be making it this way. Okay, I will show you later where this one came from. Okay, first thing first, I have to, yeah, that's it. We'll just add a little bit of petals in here. The flower petals look like, because this is so boring. That's why I add a little bit of petals in it. See? I don't like boring things. Like I add a little bit of life in it. So this is it. You know, this is just a fashionable ring. Fashion ring that you can wear. If you want to make this one, you can make it this one too. Better than mine. You know, every one of us has a talent, so you could have also one. So this is it, guys, and I will be finishing now this kind of cute ring. So guys, this is it. Just look at that. So cute, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next upload. Thank you, guys. So I already have a three flower fashionable ring. So I use this one when I go out of the house, when I, you know, just look at that, and look at that. See, it's cute, right? And also this one, it's cute, kind of cute. But I just wear one flower ring on my fingers. I don't wear a lot, just one. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. I hope you like it. You must be wondering where this one came from. So this one, this petal of my flowering came from here. See, this one is from my neckline of my jacket. So I cut this one like this, cut it like this, and put it here, become like this. So that's it, guys, my trivia. Thank you so much.